What's up guys, Mitch here, back at the Yellow House project. So we knocked down some of these trees when we were putting the egress windows in, and now we got to get rid of them. So I got an Ego blower, a battery powered blower, and so now I picked up the Ego battery powered chainsaw. So we're going to cut up these trees with a battery powered chainsaw. So we'll see if it works. Check it out. So the good news is this chainsaw actually comes all put together here, so there is no assembly for us to do. So it's already put together. Bad news is my battery is not charged yet for the chainsaw, but my battery off of my leaf blower is interchangeable, so pretty cool. So we can get right to work. Well, there it is, guys. There's the pile, or lack of, we got it all cleaned up here. The Ego chainsaw did a pretty good job there for a battery powered chainsaw. This is just the 14-inch. They had a 16-inch, and this had the small battery, the 2.5-aught. So like I say, it had the little battery and cut up this entire trailer full of wood here. And you can see we made some large cuts here. You can see we had a little bit of termite damage there. That's why the tree was gone. But we made several large cuts with that thing, and just with the small battery, I'd say it did a pretty dang good job. But we got the pile of trees cleaned up there. Like I say, they're on the trailer here. We gotta go unload those. But there was where that tree was that had that termite damage, so it's gone. Plus it was right outside the egress windows, so we didn't want to look at that tree, and so that tree is gone. We got the yellow house project in the process here. We're working on cleaning it up, and that Ego chainsaw did a pretty dang good job. So we're gonna go dump this, and thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and check out our next video. Thanks for watching.